Hello everyone, this is Akash and welcome to the full in-depth review of Amazon's Echo device, basically Amazon Echo Dot. So first of all, let me give you the idea how it works and what all you'll need in order to get it working. Alexa, what's my name?
This device has only one account, Akash's.
So it is my name, Akash. Okay, Alexa, who's your father?
I was made by a team of inventors at Amazon.
So, so she knows it. That's great. So let's ask her about which one is better, she or the Google Assistant. Alexa, who is better, you or Google Assistant?
I like all AIs.
She likes all AIs. Political answer. Okay, cool. So let me tell you what you need to get this device working. First of all, you need an external power source. I have connected over here. It's not powered by batteries. It will only work after external power source. And you'll need a Wi-Fi connection. So you can use home Wi-Fi connections using LAN wires, or you can use hotspot dongles like this Geofy or whatever. So I think for individual people, uh, this solution is a good one, which I am using. So no need of separate home Wi-Fi connections. So these are the two basic requirements: external power source and a Wi-Fi connection to get your device working. So without further ado, let me give you a pros and cons about this product, and let me help you in having a good informed purchase decision. Now that you have seen what all you'll need in order to get it working, let me summarize this review in the form of pros and cons. So it will be a better way to give you an idea about whether you want to purchase it or not. So Amazon has made a head start in India by launching its artificial assistant first, um, before the Google Assistant comes in the country. So that way Amazon has an edge. So right now you'll have only this option to buy in the country, but Google is not going to leave this country for long. So it will bring its product soon rather than late. So at that time you'll get confused whether to purchase Amazon's product or Google's. So here we go with the pros and cons. I have listed its pros and cons in the form of some points, so I'll be going through them. And this list I have created after more than a month of heavy usage of this device. And let me give you an idea. Yesterday I was not using this device and it was off, kept somewhere, and I was missing this device in my home. So you got an idea, right? So first let me talk about the pros. The first one is Bluetooth connectivity. It can easily connect with your any Bluetooth enabled speaker by just giving a command like Alexa, connect with my Bluetooth device. Currently
Searching.
she's sitting there and she said searching. So it's in that mode. She'll not able to find it. It's not here. Okay. And
I don't see anything to connect.
she says
Check the device you would like to use.
there is no
And
Bluetooth
make
speaker
sure
here.
Bluetooth is turned
Okay.
on. To set up a
Alexa,
new device.
stop. And the second best feature is that it has auxiliary port. As you can see, 3.5 mm headphone port is there. So you can easily connect your any of the speakers. If they do not have Bluetooth, then you can connect it using this port. So these two features that I have just mentioned, the Bluetooth and uh, this headphone port, these two functions are not directly available in Google Home Mini, its competitor basically when it will come in India. So for connecting using Bluetooth in Google Home Mini, you will need additional Chromecast like device that Google has launched to indirectly connect your Bluetooth devices. So without that it's not possible. And Google Assistant is simply missing this port. So if you want to use any of your speakers which is not Bluetooth enabled, then you are out of luck. Okay, these are the two biggest pros. Let me go ahead. Its voice pickup is very good. It can listen to you even when you are far away from its actual location. And even when the song is playing, sometimes I gave it a command sitting in the bathroom and it listened while the song was playing. So that's the level of audio pickup this product has. Fourth one is it has got amazing skills like story reading from Kindle. You can save it in Kindle and ask it to read. TED Talks, it can read you play the TED Talks, and it also can connect with Times of India or other channels in the skills, and it will read the news for you. Next, it has got skills like actually it has a separate space called skills. You can add various skills out there like Ola cabs, Uber, uh, Amazon, and background sound, animal sound, any songs playing application, and many. It has many tons of apps out there for this one. And in this way also it's far ahead than Google's device because it was launched way before Google's any of the voice assistant product. And the more small features which will help you surely, which I am missing, which I missed yesterday. You can set alarms by just saying, Alexa, wake me up at 7:30 a.m.
Alarm set for 7:30 a.m. tomorrow.
Cool. You can set timers like just saying, Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. You can set reminders, add items in your shopping list, etc. and the list goes on. You can even ask her to level up the volume or lower. Alexa, louder. So it will make one level up. You can set volume levels from volume 1 to 10 by just giving the command like Alexa, set volume level 8. It has set. Moving next, the other big feature of this device. If you have smart items like lights, TVs, which can be connected through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and all those kind of stuff, then those devices can be controlled using this Amazon's Echo devices. You just need to say Alexa, connect with my or you can say turn on my home light or turn on the fan if it is connected with this. So this list is big and it will continue to grow. Next, it has got 1 year Prime membership. Currently in India it offers 1 year Prime membership. Alexa, stop. I'm in between the talk. Can't you see? You can get 1 year of Prime membership free with it. And few days back it was selling with a promotional offer of 30% discount, but currently its price has increased a bit. So it's around 4,500 rupees. Now after all the pros, let's come to the cons. The first biggest con is it's not as interactive as Google's Assistant. If you ask Google Assistant about who is Barack Obama, who is his wife, what's his height, then it will be able to connect, but Amazon simply fails. Let's give you a demo. Alexa, who is Barack Obama?
Barack Hussein Obama II is an American politician who served as the 44th President of the United States from 2009 to 2017.
Alexa, who is his wife?
Sorry, I don't know that.
She doesn't know that. But if you ask Google Assistant, it will easily tell his wife is Michelle Obama. And you can ask connected questions likewise. But this device simply fails on that. So that's a big con. Second big con is it doesn't understand Hindi commands at all. It will simply not understand. So if you are planning to give to your say if your parents want to use it and if they not know English, then you'll have to search for another option. It simply fails to understand. So this problem happens when you want to give it command like playing specific Hindi songs, it will fail to understand. You can give it commands like play songs from Sawan, play top 50 Bollywood songs, like that. But if you give typical names of the song, then it will rarely it will able to catch the song's name. So you have to be very clear and precise on the song's names and other queries if you have. Okay. Now, as a standalone speaker, if you are thinking that you will buy this one and it will act as a standalone speaker and you will be happy with it, then you are wrong. It's just a basic speaker. It will just get the job done. No depth, no bass. Do not expect anything from this. If you want to have all those features, you will have to go with a higher end device like Amazon Echo Plus or Amazon Echo. But this dot device will not give you that function. So rather than going for that those kind of expensive devices, get this one, and you must be having some speaker lying around in your room. You can connect that speaker with this one, so it will get your job done. So I think I have given pretty much that you can analyze whether you want to have this or not. So that's all from my side, and if you have any comments and you want further videos on this, then please comment in the comment section below. In the meantime, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to share this video if you want some of your friends to know about this one, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Bye bye now.